Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will view georeferencing tools. To show georeferencing tool, right-click in the toolbar and select georeferencing tool. Click here, and we open the georeferencing toolbar. First of all, in the toolbar must be the raster layer which you want your reference, and the first set of tools is your references. Click here and update your referencing tool. Save the current walk to the dataset. Click here. We select rectify. It saves the current walk to a new dataset. The current raster to a new dataset. Fit to display. We use the raster to the and so auto adjust toggle the automatic adjustment on or off. Update display based on current links. Flip or rotate tool. Click rotate. It rotates the raster to the position what you want, and click rotate to left. It rotates raster, and flip horizontal clockwise, or flip vertical, flip the layer, flip horizontal, or you can flip vertical to the layer, or right. Now you can, with this tool, you can rotate the raster to any position you want. Also, transformation. It transforms the layer. We have versions of the transformation. Zero order polynomial transforms the layer using the zero order polynomial. This requires at least one control point. Similar polynomial transforms layer using similar polynomial. This requires at least 3 control points. These are all inactive because we have updated georeferencing, but they will be active if we not update georeferencing. And adjust transforms the layer using an adjust transformation, at least 3 control points. Projective transformation transforms the layer using the projective transformation. This requires at least 4 control points. Spline transforms the layer using the spline transformation. This requires at least 10 control points. These options will be here in transformation. You can also select, click view link table, and in transformation panel you can select these. For example, we can select here zero order transformation, and it transforms the raster in this form. Here we select zoom to layer. It transformed as this. Similar polynomial, click similar polynomial, and it transforms normally the raster. First order polynomial FE transformed. Second, it transformed it like this. The raster changed here and adjust it has been normally position, projected transformation also normally. Now so we want the default. First we choose first order polynomial at the transformation. We have it will be active if we click here view link table, and these two cells will be active. Or delete links if delete links, and reset transformation to its original position. If we select, the transformation will be in original position. Options, click options tool, and here we can select the color of the control points, the from point symbol to point symbol, residual, its error line, and autocomplete. If we click here, autocomplete it. If we put 3 points, it will put a false point automatically. And click cancel. This is the target layer panel. Here we select the raster layer we want to georeference, and add control point. Here we if we select here this tool, we will be able to add new control points here. For example, we want to put the 7th point, and here we click left click, and the 7th point appears, and then click right click of the mouse and click, you can click input X and Y, or input DMS long and latitude. If we select X and Y, it will enter coordinates in decimal degrees. In our case, our X longitude is 80 degrees, 80.0 degrees, and our latitude Y is 40 degrees. Click 40 degrees, and the auto registration tool automatically create link. If select link, here we can select link that we want or delete it, etc., and also it is highlighted in the link table. Zoom to selected link. If we press it, it will show the selected link. Delete link, it deletes the selected link. Viewer, this tool opens layer in a new viewer, the raster in a new viewer. And if we want georeference two rasters, one is georeference and one is not, we may use this tool here, and we select in the target file. We can select not georeferencing tool, and in the viewer we will see the raster in the target file, and we then georeference this to the this raster to the georeference raster. Now we select, close all the windows, and rotate the layer by click. This is to also rotate layer if we press update georeferencing, and this tool is now active. Now we can rotate it manually. Manually shift scale the raster to the position we want. The measurement types the rotation degrees. If we want rotate by degrees, for example 45 degrees, we press here and press enter, and it has rotated the raster layer in 45 degrees. Now we looked all the georeferencing tools, tested it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, press like button, subscribe to our channel to get notification about the next video.